stupid thing. Jeez.
I was afraid of that. Can't quite get a good pound on that because it's flat.
I have to admit, I'm a hard-working person.
He's trying to clean everything out.
No, this is a shock
Oh,
deal. It's supposed to shock it and turn it. I've only used it like 3 times the whole time I've had it. And it's worked, but this might be the only time it doesn't. Looks like it wants to go the other way, but that was, I swear, lock. That was reverse. Jeez.
It might not be coming out.
It might not be. Nope. Yeah, I think that was tightening it. So, we will go right way. As I go through the window.
Yeah, really, don't go through the window.
Yeah. Why don't you grab that shop vac and start vacuuming that off?
That smells lovely.
Yeah, really. Uh-oh.
That switch on this thing.
Yeah.
just hope that fuel tank's not leaking. That's what I'll. It might be, because it still feels pretty wet.
I know. I'll be okay.
Well,
Okay.
I think we got the majority of it.
Yeah. She is? You sure? I haven't seen Grandpa yet. Now where's the 9/16? You're really cold?
Yeah.
You got your coat on?
I can't go inside. I can't go inside.
Hold on a second.
You got your coat on upside down.
That's the way he does it.
Oh, I missed him. Is that the way to wear them nowadays?
Let me switch your coat. Are you kidding? So how the hell are you supposed to hold that?
You got a nut on it?
I think that is a nut on the one side. Maybe not. Oh. Well, might be a lot smoky.
Yep, small. I'm sure glad you remember how this all goes together.
I don't. It's just gonna be. This kind of looks like it went there. This kind of looks like it went there.
As long as you don't pull Grandpa Al and get it all put together and then find the rest of the parts.
Yeah. Okay. shifting linkages off.
Oh, crap.
Okay.
See ya.
And of course.
Not long enough.
Do it the old-fashioned way. Yeah. Hopefully. Oh man, it's of course we're turning right off the bat. I gotta see how to take all this off because I know it was off.
You have to Google it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to Google it again. Must have been the part I fast forwarded through. Or YouTube it, I mean.
YouTube it.
Yeah, it was on YouTube.
Yeah, that's all right. Call it a day then, or?
Yeah, I gotta run down to the house before the plumber leaves.
Who they having plumb it?
Somebody out of Ogden, I
Ogden.
think.
I didn't recognize the name.
Yeah, I can't even remember.
Looks nice. They got your house wrap on it.
Yeah. I just wish they had windows in.
Oh yeah, the freaking cold wind we got out there.
Yeah. Yeah, fireplace is in, or it's going in.
Going in. I seen they got the pipe up through.
Yeah.
I wonder why they didn't go above the peak of your roof. Or if it'll have enough draw the way it is.
And that's what I told them. I says, if you think it'll have enough draw, I don't want it sticking up above the roof. So
Yeah.
they went, I think, as high as they could, or that we wanted to. Actually, it should have been on the back wall, and it would have come through the lower part of the roof, and then we would have had to take the chimney even higher through there. But we moved it around to more center of the house, and so I don't know, because that's what they was wanting to know, how tall a chimney we wanted on the outside and how much bracing that would have took sticking that far up in the air. So
Yeah.
so
Well, we get mostly north winds, so you should
Yeah.
draw pretty good there.
yeah. Yeah, I'll have to Google that or YouTube that and see how to pull this part off. Either that or buy the book, the service manual. They don't tell me.
today, I can go home and figure out why this stupid thing didn't record the first 2 clips.
Yeah.
Or it did, it just says they're unviewable. There are parts and crap laying.
Oh, I know. There's a bunch of junk all over this. But like I say, I hope that fuel tank doesn't have a hole in it.
You'd have to buy a new one, wouldn't you?
Yeah, well, yeah, pretty well. It's plastic.
Well, I hope not. That looks like it'd be
Yeah, I don't know how.
that'd be a pain to try and get that thing out of there. I don't even know how you do it.
I think it just goes right out the back. Have to go up over the rock shaft and the 3rd arm links. I don't know how it's even anchored in there. Bracket somehow. I don't know. Well,
Alright,
I'll
well,
have to record another day.
yeah. Well, that's alright. I got some good footage from today.
Yeah, you should have been here when we took the Sting seat out.
I know.
I was dragging my feet. And, I'm just going to go ahead and start. But that was quite the chore.
I wasn't expecting quite the net mess from that mouse that we had. That took me a little longer to clean up than I thought it would. Sucking mice.
Yeah.
All these cats around. We got a freaking mouse in the house.
Yep. Huh. Okay.
Hydraulics. Alright.
Yeah, work tomorrow?
No, I'm off tomorrow, so.
If I start working on this, I'll holler at you.
Yeah, just text me. I'll be up. Get Ethan on the bus, so.
Wait, I don't get going then too early when I'm the only one with Steiger.
Yeah, that's true.
Emma's got work tomorrow, I think. I don't know. No. I can't remember. Yeah, I don't have too much going on tomorrow.
Yeah, just shoot me a text and I'll run down here. Cause Jesse's got work. Ethan's got school, so I ain't got nothing to do. I don't feel like doing house chores, so.
Yeah. Yeah, we got enough to work on around here.
Yeah.